Hello, this is Will from Refuse to be Feeble. When one comes into the gym, they may ask, I don't want to get big, I want to get toned. And I say to many of my clients who come in who are very much overweight that I need to make them bigger. I need to bulk them. And they get upset and nervous because they think I'm already big. Why do you want to make me bigger? But what I'm trying to explain is that even though their body may occupy a space this wide, their muscle may only occupy that much of space inside. So in reality, even though they are here, they're carrying very little muscle. And what I want to do is increase their muscle mass. I need to bulk them. I need to make them bigger. By bulking them, I'm giving them more muscle fibers and I'm making them stronger. Why do I want to increase your muscle fibers? It's because the body carries fat. Fat weighs the body down. However, muscle moves your body. I would rather have more muscle and weigh more than less muscle and weigh less on the scale and have more fat. When you are training, many people want to be, I don't want to get bigger, I don't want to look like a man. And reality is we all want that firmness of the muscle tone. Now, what is tone? Tone is a muscle firmness that you have when you're in a relaxed state. Now, you're in the gym and you're pumping up and you're doing, what happens is you're actually putting fluid, nutrients into the muscle and you're expanding the muscle cavity. It's water. When you eat carbohydrates, your carbohydrates go into the muscle to actually give it energy, actually help it repair it, and it brings more weight in water. This will dissipate after time, but in building the fibers, you are actually creating toneness, which is a firmness so that the body stands there and stronger and harder and ready to move. For example, would be if I had a younger person and I go to touch their leg or their chest, you'll notice that there is a firmness to the muscle. As we get older, if I touch an older person and I touch them, the muscle mass will not be there. They are carrying less muscle, which means they are having more difficult time moving and for their body to react faster. This is why they end up falling, because the body can't respond because it doesn't have the muscle fibers. So when you're in the gym, don't be afraid to get bigger and lift heavier weights. They tell you that Rome was not built in a day. So you're not going to come into the gym and lift weights 2-3 months and all of a sudden you're Hercules. My big joke all the time to the women is they say, I don't want to look like a man. I'll tell them, I've been training for 3 decades and I'm not as big as a man. So don't worry about that. Don't put the cart before the horse. Get in, invest in your body, invest in your muscle to help your body to move and to protect it from different things as from diseases and falls. Any other questions? Contact us at Refuse to be Feeble and we'll be happy to answer your questions.
We are the people that refuse to be feeble. I said, yeah, we are the people that refuse to be feeble. I said, yeah, we are the people that refuse to be feeble. I said, yeah, we are the people that refuse to be feeble.